not gonna hit you.
I'm kicking hieroglyphics like Egyptians, cause I'm a nihilist like the Nile is. Get it? Open my eyelids to all these Pontius Pilates who might be stylish but they blind in compliance. Wired to their wireless and they public with their privates. They mind but they mindless and they see the guidance as a minus. This all is major with the minors. I've seen and done it all and been the buyer and supplier, preacher and the choir, a demon and messiah, part of the demon, the pariah. I'm achieving my desires even if the cops come with the gun pointed at me, squeezing fire. I'm deceiving liars, arresting police, even preaching to priests. And I be preaching the peace every time that I be breathing the trees. I'm high as I could feasibly be. I be feeding the beast, chilling with the roots and eating the beat. And then I just put my feet on the street. It's like,
who do you want to be? The only one I want to be is me. Yeah, yeah. Who do you want to be? Get ready. The only one I want to be is me.
yeah. Concoctions often getting popped in, problems forgotten. Cause having thoughts is like a coffin when you're spoiled rotten. It's so monotonous, misogynist, the serial monogamous. It's obvious you're getting lost in it. You need to put a sock in it. You're not the boss of it, you can only say you are if today was opposite. And I'ma just rap like a mummy in sarcophagus. I'm saying this side is up cause I'm always on top of it. It's like praying when you skip church. It's like winning a fight and then saying that your fist hurt. It's like every day on this earth. It's like dying when you never live first.